Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Hornbill Festival, the famous festival of Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival is the most anticipated cultural carnival of Nagaland. Located in northeast India, Nagaland is a very beautiful and ethnically diverse state with all the major tribes from the state participating in the festivities. Hornbill is the best way of catching a glimpse of Naga life. The festival is named after the Indian hornbill. The colorful wild bird is a significant part of the folklore of most Naga tribes. The hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribal headgears worn during Naga festivities. Cultural troops from across the region participate during this week-long celebration. It is also known as the Festival of Festivals. Hornbill Festival is a great time to experience the cultural diversity of not just Nagaland but the entire Northeast. The festival is held in the first week of December every year. The main venue of the festival is the Naga Heritage Village in Kisama. It is located about 12 kilometers from Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. The prime attraction of the heritage village is the cluster of 16 tribal houses. Each house is constructed in the indigenous architectural concept of a specific Naga tribe. It also contains the replica of a morang, which forms an integral part of the Naga way of living. There are 16 officially recognized Naga tribes. They are different and unique in their customs and traditions. The traditional attire of each tribe is unique. Nagas also take immense pride in their headgear, which are usually woven with fine bamboo and decorated with wild orchids or hornbill feathers. Some tribes also use the teeth of wild animals to further decorate them. The attire and headgear are traditionally a display of the wearer's valor. Nagas are greatly admired for their rich traditional of folk dance and music. Naga dances are often replete with war cries and grand jumps, making the dances athletic and martial. War cries by performers are a common feature of these dances. Music plays a big role in the festivities of Northeast in general. Performers from across the region showcase their distinct dance and folk music during the Hornbill Festival. Famous bands from all over the world participate in this feast. Music lovers from all over the world visit this festival to experience the eclectic music of the Northeast. Hornbill is a foodie's paradise. One can try all kinds of Naga traditional food. Tourists are welcomed warmly to the traditional huts of each tribe to taste the various kinds of delicacies on offer. The Naga King chili, also known as the Bhut Jolokia, has been ranked the world's hottest chili. The organizers of the festival take great pleasure in making the participants cry. The meat eating competition is another popular event. Roasted, dried, and smoked meat are available in the traditional Naga style. Naga cuisine is also incomplete without the traditional rice beer. The Hornbill Motor Rally is another unique event which should be of interest to the adventure seekers. The rally covers 12 of the most picturesque locations in the state. The Kohima Night Bazaar is another must see. This busy stretch of town comes alive during the Hornbill Festival with food, music, and fun. The streets get overcrowded with various food and handicraft stalls. It's a great pleasure to work amidst all the hustle and bustle of the bazaar. Apart from the event at Hornbill, a trip to Nagaland is incomplete without a trek in the majestic Zuko Valley, located at the height of 2,438 meters above sea level. It is about 25 kilometers away from Kohima. A haven for nature enthusiasts, the valley provides panoramic views of the rivers and mountains of the region. When the multicolored rhododendrons are in full blooms, it's a sight to cherish. A visit to the Kohima War Memorial is a must for all history buffs. Kohima was the location of one of the most crucial battles of World War II. Battle of Kohima was the turning point of the Japanese attack on India in 1944. The battle was fought from 4th April to 22nd June in 1944. The battle is often referred to as the Stalingrad of the East. A walk in the war memorial will remind one of the sacrifices of the soldiers of a bygone era. Our trip to the Hornbill Festival is a must for anyone who wants to see the magnificent beauty and cultural diversity of the Northeast. Thank you.